I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your statement on Ally Online is straightforward once you know where to look. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Once logged in, find the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. This will show you a summary of all your accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Click on the specific account for which you want to check the statement. This could be your checking, savings, or investment account. Step 4. Access statements. Look for a section labeled Statements or Documents. Click on it to view your available statements. You may need to select a specific date range. Step 5. Download or view. Choose to either view the statement online or download it as a PDF for your records. Make sure to save it in a location you can easily find later. Sometimes, the statements may take a moment to load, especially if you're accessing older documents. Just be patient, and they should appear shortly. I hope this helps you easily check your statements. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.